girl, this is so small. I did think that this was a full size. This looks like a car mat, like in your car on the floor. We got waves for days. Why Lola, you put on a do-rag, my boy? You got more waves than me. We love to see it. He was not having it. He said, I'm not gonna go out there. I'm soaked. Oh girl, I feel like I need to change my outfit and then I'm gonna come right back because it is storming outside. It definitely feels like a very cozy day. So I'm in my sweats. Yes, I got the glasses on today. It's a no makeup vibe, but I thought this would be like the perfect time to just sit, relax, and hang out with you guys while I unbox a package here from SHEIN. So shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I always think it's super interesting to see what I ordered versus what I actually got. So I thought that'd be really fun for today's video. So we have some fun stuff. Not the thunder. I gotta make this video quick because my dog is about to go crazy. So I will link everything for you guys in the description box below so that you guys can check these things out. SHEIN doesn't just have like the best, trendiest, latest fashion items, but they also carry the most exquisite, the best products and gadgets for your home space and your living space too. A lot of organizational things, a lot of gadgets for the kitchen area, bathroom gadgets, cool lighting, all that kind of stuff. So I thought we would just go through and get kind of like a little bit of everything. And they have some really cute like viral products. I feel like this, I see all the girls on my Instagram feed like in the reels doing these really good aesthetic iced coffees with these fun ice cubes. So when I saw that they had a mold in the shape of a heart, I said throw it in the bag. So I think these are always super fun to make your own aesthetic ice cubes. These are so affordable. This looks just like what I expected it to be. It is like a silicone, so it's super like malleable, which will be easy to get the ice out of, but you'll probably have to be careful putting the water into the freezer and making sure that it's laid nice and flat. So I'm gonna have to say this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Ooh, sticking with that same theme. Now I will say I did think that this was a full size like cake pan, but it looks like a mini cake pan. I did not look at the dimensions. But this is going to be really nice to do stuff like around Valentine's Day. You can make some mini cakes or brownies and stuff like that. That's what I was hoping to make. And I like that it has a latch, so it'll be easy to take the dessert out of and you won't mess up the shape of it. I definitely wish, had I known it was smaller, I ordered like a set of like 4 of them. So I'm definitely going to go back on SHEIN and pick up a couple more of these molds so you can bake more than just one at a time with all of the batter. But already I think this is super cute, and it would be really fun if you like to bake sweet treats at home. Even if you had like a cinnamon roll, this came to mind, you could put it in here and mold it out into the shape of a heart. That could be super cute. I don't know what's in these boxes, you guys, but that's why we're unboxing it, to see what your girl actually ordered. Oh, this is smaller in person too. I remember picking this up. It was a tissue box, like acrylic case, definitely more aesthetic than your traditional cardboard box that tissues come in, and it is allergy season, baby, so I've been going through the tissues, but I thought this would be really cute just to put in like your bathroom space or on your nightstand, somewhere where it actually looks good. So I'm wondering if I can just take the tissues out the box and if it'll fit in here. But I really like this, and it also had different colors of the acrylic as well, so I think this one was like the smoked out color option. Super cute for sure. And then the lid is like a bamboo. I think that's too much. Ooh, I love all these like ice molds. This one's more sturdy for sure compared to the heart one. These I thought would be really good for espresso because it's hot right when you brew it. So the ice, regular ice, just melts so quick that it dilutes the drink, especially with iced coffees. I believe these are supposed to be for like whiskey drinks, but the concept of doing like jumbo ice cubes for my lattes at home I thought would be perfection. So I definitely recommend things like this. They're super affordable, and they definitely kind of luxe up your home space and make you feel like you are getting the experience of going out to get a beverage, but you're actually making it at home at a really great price. So I'm definitely gonna link these for you guys so you can check those out. Love the ice molds. So this came in a set of 6 different plastic drawer organizers, which you could do so much with stuff like this. You could organize that junk drawer, you could organize your desk drawer with your office supplies, your nightstand, your kitchen and cooking utensils, literally any and everything, skincare products in the restroom, all that kind of stuff. So there's just a bunch of different sizes in this set as well. So I do like that. And I just think these are definitely going to come in handy. You can organize your makeup. Yeah. There's also 2 larger ones. This would be really good for like your makeup brushes, although it might cloud up the plastic, but like compacts and stuff as well would be a great way to kind of organize and store your cosmetics. So that's kind of what I had in mind with these, and I love that it all comes together in a set because it was already super affordable. And they have a ton of stuff like this on SHEIN, which is why I like them. It's like your one-stop shop for like organization and like literally everything for home. This was or is a kitchen drying mat. So oh, I like this. It's on the smaller side. I'm not gonna hold you. This looks like a car mat, like in your car on the floor. I thought it was gonna be a lot larger when you think of this scale of like a dinner plate or like a pan or something, but it is silicone, so it's not gonna like slip off of your counter. And if you are limited in space, it's really small in the sense that you can fold it up and put it away if you don't need it out. So I love drying mats like this, and I do wish it was bigger. It looked bigger on the website, but the idea of having this when you just want to wash something super quick and not have to just run a dishwasher load would be a great concept. This is something so random that I ordered, but we use them in our kitchen. This is a kitchen towel rack that you place inside your cabinet, like it hooks on the cabinet door, right underneath the sink, so when you're done washing your hands or you're washing a pan or something, you can just reach right down and then grab it. So I love these because they're super handy versus just throwing your kitchen towel all the way by like the oven door handle or just laying it out on the countertop, and it also helps it dry quicker. So love these little things. This was super affordable, and it's one of those things that you don't think that you need until you actually get it, and it becomes super handy in your kitchen space. You could also probably put this in your bathroom too. Do the same concept in your bathroom cabinet if you want to have a place to hang your hand towel and maybe you don't have an actual like hook on the wall for it. More organization. Yes, this is for your dresser, and I really needed something like this because my socks, undies, and like bralettes are all in one drawer. So every day I go in there, I have to dig around and try and find what it is that I'm looking for, and it's not organized at all. And they had a ton of stuff like this over on SHEIN specifically for like your clothing and organization of that. So I picked this up in like a beige nude type of a color. This is so small. You could probably fit like one bralette maybe in each slot. And I'm not sure how this thing is supposed to expand, but it's like a mesh screen. I feel like low-key this is too small, so we'll see what these bigger ones look like. This would actually be better for like bras with like a wire, something with padding, something more bulky, so you could actually put them in a space together. And even organizing like your types of socks, because there's more space to have room for multiple items per slot. And underwear if you want to organize them by style or color. So this is definitely a size I prefer compared to something super small like this one. But again, it also came in a set, and this one is just like the first one. So if I'm honest, I'm probably going to utilize the bigger one, and then that way I can organize everything else around it in my drawer that is so messy right now. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna find out. Ooh. Okay. This is also much smaller, but I'm not mad at it. They had two other sizes available, like a small, medium, and a large. And I thought this was just the cutest thing ever because it's a tray, so you can just organize literally anything in it. I thought this would be cute if you wanted to put like a candle and then style it with other home decor items on like a coffee table or your nightstand or something. You could also use this like in your bathroom to put like your skincare products, or what you could use it for is like your entryway as a catch-all to put like your keys and your wallet, charger, something like that, things that you need with you every day, so it looks cuter than just throwing it on to a table space. So I definitely recommend this. I think this is super cute, and I definitely would go back and order like the full set, get all the sizes, because I thought they were really adorable. I want to say this is the medium one. I could be wrong, and it looks like it's kind of bent here, but I think that's just because it looks handmade in my opinion. This is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Probably, I don't know what's my favorite, the ice cube trays, this, or the heart-shaped baking mold, or even like this aesthetic tissue box. Like this would be cute in your bathroom. Put like your lotion, you know what I'm saying? And it's bamboo, so it matches. It's cute. Oh, she's cute. Guys, they have the most aesthetic things over on SHEIN in the home section. This, I think it's glass. I am not sure. I want to say it's glass, but I thought this was the cutest thing for like iced coffee on the go. There's even a little hole so you could put your straw in there as well and you won't spill it, and it's definitely small enough to fit in a cup holder, and the lid actually has like a rubber stopper. This is super cute. I wish, see, this is my thing. I forget to get a set. Like I get one of something and I'm like, okay, but now I need to have like a complete set because I just need a set. Am I the only one? Otherwise, like what's the point? Like what if you have two people to serve, right? You're going to be drinking the same thing out of different glassware. You know what I'm saying? So we need a set. So this is definitely something I recommend. I think it's super cute, and I'm going to definitely go back and order at least one more of these, and it has a yellow tinted handle on it. I think it's really adorable. Look, you could use this as a serving tray for your patio if you're like serving guests at your house or something. Versatile. We love it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Those are all of my finds that I got from SHEIN's home section. So if you guys saw anything that you guys liked or you want to check out, definitely check out the links down below. And also I'm going to put a coupon code down there as well. They already have incredible prices on all this stuff, so you can always find really great deals. So definitely be sure to use that coupon code so you can save additional at checkout. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and join my YouTube channel, because I do a lot of like videos like this, lifestyle related, beauty, some fashion, some self-care, motivational videos, all that kind of stuff. So if that interests you, definitely stick around and come back and hang out, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog very soon. Bye.